Hi there, thank you for watching this video. So in this video, I'll be explaining about the design pattern called command pattern. To explain this concept, I have come up with the idea of interactive voice responsibility system for college. So the expectation of the system is it should display the navigation details, and upon the selection, it should provide the corresponding details. Let if the user enters number 1 as their choice, then it should present the current date presence of the student in the college. And if the input 2 is selected, it should display the number of remaining arrears. And when the 3 is selected, if there are any latest announcements from the college, it should be displayed. So that's the requirement. So let's see how it can be implemented. I treat all these options as command. So in order to define that, I have created an interface called iCommand. So it has two members now, execute and get description. So to display the attendance command, I have created a concrete class attendance command, and when the execute method is invoked, it will request the registration number of the student, and then it will find the the attendance status of the given register number, and then it will display the presence accordingly for the given registration number. And then this description says what is this command can do. Similarly, the arrear command, so it will, when the execute method is invoked, it will request the registration number of the student, and then it will check the outstanding arrears. If there are any, it will display the details here. And this description gives the details about this command. Similarly, the news command. So when the execute method is called, it is providing the upcoming events details. So in this example, it will be like campus interview will be held on 25 May 2023, and inter-college volleyball competition will be on 26 May 23. So that is how I have modeled it. And the description is about the news command. So now all this command, right, it should be working based on the parameter, that is depends on the user choice, right? So now we have encapsulated all these command in their respective concrete definitions, and let's see how command pattern helps us to use those encapsulated commands in a parameterized way. So I have defined the IVR system using this class institution IVR, and it will, on initialization, it will get the list of commands, and it is giving the greeting about the IVR to the caller, and we can add command and remove command dynamically. So when the display navigation is called, it is going through all the commands, and it is providing the description about it, and it is asking the user to enter the appropriate choice here, and the exit choice is calculated. So when the user select the exit choice, then the IVR will come to an end, right? And then, so the get exit, so it is determined at runtime. So the exit choice will get returned here. So when the choice is entered, it actually gets the respective command and it executes that, right? So this is the definition, and let's see with the execution. So in program.cs, I'm initializing a list of type I command, and then I'm adding all the three commands here: attendance command, arrear command, the news command. And then I pass this command list to initialize the institution IVR, and then I read the exit choice. So here we should assume it is waiting for a caller. So when the caller calls in, we execute a loop, and it display the possible navigations here, right? and then the user will provide their input, and according to their input, the respective command should be executed. So that's the idea. So this process will be repeated until the user wants to exit from this IVR. So let's see how it is working. So I am running it. So it is providing the greeting, and it is providing different options for the users, right? So if I want to check the presence of a student on a current day, I have to choose the option 1. So when I enter it, it is requesting the registration number, and when I enter it, it is providing the detail. The student is present today. So it is for simulation. In real time, we can check the respective attendance detail, and we can provide the paper details here, right? And it is providing the options again, so that we can choose the other options. And then if I select the 3S option, it provides the detail about campus interview and inter-college volleyball competition dates, right? So if I say 4, it exits. So what we are doing here? So the command pattern, it is allowing us to encapsulate the command specific logic within the concrete classes, and it let us use those object in a parameterized way, right? So the parameterized way means when I say 1, some command is getting executed. When I say 2, it is some another command is getting executed. So that's the idea of it. Hope it helps. Thank you.